Hello, I'm Andrew, and this is CBA College. I'd love to walk you through how simple it is to sign up for a course. Let's say we want to sign up for Agile Analysis Certification course via our website. First, type in cbacollege.ca. Then click the red button, Apply Now, on the top right corner. Skim the learning objectives, course outline, and more once you arrive on the Agile Analysis description. Lastly, fill in your information and then click Register for this course. You can download the module. Now, in a few minutes or so, you should receive a confirmation email with next steps for your payment schedule. And there you are. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope you have a great day.